Recap quickly. Sticker method, mirror chat, phone recording, internet comments, mental labels, emotional connection.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hi, everyone. I'm very happy to be here and ready to talk today.
I'm happy too, Paul. So, today's episode is part of our Best Way series.
Oh, I love this series. What is today's topic?
Today, we're talking about the best way to use new English words in real life.
That's important. Many students learn words but forget them quickly.
Exactly. Seeing a word once is not enough. You must use it again and again.
So what's the first method?
The sticker method. Write a new English word on small paper and put it on objects in your house.
Like writing mirror and putting it on the mirror.
Yes, every time you see it, say, "This is a mirror." Your brain remembers words you see often.
But what about words like happy or excited?
Good question. Try mirror chat. Stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself.
Talk to myself?
Yes. For example, today I feel excited. My friend has a wedding.
That sounds fun, and no one judges you.
Exactly. It's safe practice and great for pronunciation.
What's next?
Use your phone recorder. Choose 3 new words daily and make sentences.
Then listen to my voice?
Yes, you'll notice your mistakes and improvement. It becomes your voice diary.
That sounds fun, and no one judges you.
Exactly. It's safe practice and great for pronunciation.
Can social media help learning?
Absolutely. Write comments using new words.
For example, today I learned the word breakfast. I had a big breakfast.
Perfect. It's real communication with real people.
What about practicing outside?
Use mental labels. When walking, name things in English in your head.
Car, building, blue sky.
Exactly. If you don't know a word, look it up immediately.
Do you have one last tip?
Yes. Connect words with emotions. For example, think about your favorite vacation when learning the word vacation.
So the feeling helps memory?
Yes. Words connected to emotions stay longer in your brain.
Let's recap quickly. Sticker method, mirror chat, phone recording, internet comments, mental labels, emotional connection.
You don't need perfection, just courage to practice.
Now we have a question for you.
What is one new English word you learned this week? Write it in the comments and make a sentence.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.
Thank you for learning with us.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
So that's all for today. See you again in another video. Till then, bye.